Guys, it's me, your tech tip boy, and this is the third time I'm recording this, but this is how to create an epic Microsoft Access database. So what you want to do is call this one anything you want. Here. Now here's what you want to do. You gotta go into design view. Now you want name this whatever you want. Yes. Okay. Now what you want to do is keep that for the same. Now what you want to do here is type in whatever you want. And type Poopmaster 69. And yeah, let's make it a currency and make it $4.20. Now after that, you want to create this one. It has to be this one. It has to be JoJo Golden Wind. And yeah, just the default, and then type in booby. And here's the last one you gotta do. You gotta type in a real good field name, really good. So it has to be the best one ever. So you type in XXX Russian and type free video of all time. Now you wanna make this one a long text. So you just want to type in ha 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 and just copy paste that several times. Ha ha ha. Yeah, just do that. And then what you want to do now is you're gonna have to smash your computer on the floor several times over. Because Microsoft Access is really a really piece of shit. Who likes it? Really, who does? You just want to do as much damage to it as you can so that no one can use the computer because it has Microsoft Access installed on it, the piece of shit. It's absolutely disgusting. Why? Who would use this? Unless you're insane. Tax accountant from hell. It's like a horror film. But anyways, thank you for watching this epic tutorial. Make sure you smash like for the next one, which will be how to use Paint on Windows XP. Only I know how to use it. Peace.